Welcome to BeBalance, your online sanctuary. Take a moment to arrive. Let your body settle into stillness. Whether you are sitting or lying down, allow yourself to release the weight of the day. Close your eyes or lower your gaze and breathe with me. Inhale for 4 and hold for 4. Exhale for 4 and hold for 4. Inhale deeply for 4 and hold for 4. Exhale for 4 and hold for 4. Gently turn your attention inward without changing anything. Just notice what's on your mind right now. Are your thoughts still or scattered? Clear or cloudy? Maybe your mind is jumping between things or circling one thought again and again. That's okay. Just notice. Now imagine your thoughts like clouds drifting across the sky, or leaves floating on a stream, each one passing in its own time. You don't need to fix or follow anything. Simply observe. Let yourself become the watcher. Now gently shift your attention to your body. Begin at the crown of your head. Just notice any sensations. Slowly scan downward. Now your forehead. Feel it softening. Your eyes. Your jaw, your neck. Release your shoulders. Bring your attention now to your chest, the rising and falling of the breath. Now to your belly. Soften, it's okay. Bring your attention now to your hips. Feel them rooted. Now to your legs. Feel them heavy. Now your ankles. And finally your feet. Let yourself be fully present in your body and in this moment. Just noticing and just being. Now we'll move into a cellular healing visualization. Begin to imagine a warm, golden light entering your body through the top of your head. This light is pure healing energy. It flows through you effortlessly and intelligently. Each cell begins to glow, swirling with health and vitality. And every organ begins to soften. Every system in your body begins to harmonize. Feel this light moving through your entire body, through your cells, ebbing and flowing with healing intensity. Warm. You can say softly in your mind or out loud, all my cells are healthy. My body is a healing and health machine. Healing and health is inevitable for me. I am regenerating with every breath. Again, all my cells are healthy. My body is a healing and health machine. Healing and health is inevitable for me. I am regenerating with every breath. Let this golden light move freely down your spine, through your arms, into your legs, into your organs, into your cells, soothing, repairing, rebalancing. You are safe, you are healing, and you are whole. Now gently bring your awareness to the part of your body that may be in pain, recovering from an injury, or simply in need of care. Maybe it's your leg, maybe it's your stomach, your head, your neck, any part of your body, or a space you intuitively feel might need healing. Let your breath move there. Imagine the golden light gathering in that area, wrapping it with softness. See it flowing with healing intensity. And say to this part of you, I send healing energy here. You are supported. You are resting and you are healing. Again, I send healing energy here. You are supported, you are resting, and you are healing. Let your love reach that place. No urgency, no fixing. Just deep, unconditional presence. Rest here for a few moments. Let the golden energy continue to flow. Let the affirmations following echo softly in your being. My body is restoring itself. Every day, in every way, I feel stronger and more whole. I trust the intelligence of my body. Again, my body is restoring itself. Every day, in every way, I feel stronger and more whole. I trust the intelligence of my body. When you're ready, Take a slow, deep inhale and gently exhale. Wiggle your fingers and toes and feel your body right now, right here. Let your awareness come back to the room around you. And thank you for being here, for listening and for healing. One last deep breath in and out. Your body is your sanctuary. Your breath is your guide. You are always healing. Thank you for joining me here at Be Balance.